What is up, guys? I will be showing you how to get your personal own. I'm tired. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to get your personal own texture pack. So what you want to do, okay? What you want to do, you want to type in novaskin.me. So you're going to turn that in, you're going to type that in, and it'll be like this. You will be like brought to a page like that looks like this. You want to go to gallery, okay? So once you press those little 3 bars, you want to press gallery. And then let's say you want to get like a slime, I'm guessing. I don't know. This is just an example. Like, you could find these different slimes, guys. But if you want, you could take one of these slimes, edit it to where there's nothing there, and make your own slime. But I'm personally just gonna choose from one in this category. So I'll just choose this one here because it looks cool. So what you want to do is you want to press apply to Minecraft, okay? But you have to download this, okay? You have to download the actual Nova Skin itself if you don't have it. I think it might be somewhere over here. Never mind. And then if you do have it, oh, well, I'm back here, but Saws. I don't know why I'm back here. But if you do have it, most of you might have already knew this was the thing, but just choose a slime or make a slime. But I'm just going to choose one. So what you want to do is you want to press the slime. I don't know if I said this, but if you have a bad computer like me, I wouldn't recommending putting too much texture things into your texture pack, which I maybe accidentally have done. Whoops. Okay, anyways. But once you applied it to Minecraft, you want to go to options. As you can see, I already have it on, but if you just downloaded it and it's right here, you want to do that and you want to press done. And you're personally gonna just wait. Waiting. Okay, I'll cut back until it's done. But if you don't have to wait, you don't have. Well, apparently, never mind. It just did that. But especially multiplayer games, you might not want to do this. So I'm going to go to single player. I'm going to go to this world I actually made that actually has the texture packs in it. But I've added lots of stuff, guys. So you'll be able to see it. But you're probably like, how's there proof? How's there proof? I'll show you because you know how I just got. I don't know why I'm Alex. Okay, there we go. But you seen me just get that slime. You're probably like, this is fake. Show us the slime. And then you get a slime. So I'm just gonna spawn this own slime, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, look what I did to this cow too. This is a diamond sword. I just want that away. But here is a bow that I got. It's a portal gun. And his eyes is evil because that's him. But you're probably like, come on, show us the slime. There it is. So you see, and I just took that from this. Oh, the lag. And then I also did this to the ground too. I'll have to do something with stone too. And then this is skeleton. Oh, he's right there already. But this is a skeleton. He has a portal gun because it's a bow texture. And I'm just gonna shoot him. Shoot him. Okay. But yeah. And I've also got a rainbow creeper. So look at that. And then I could just type in creeper get this. No, not this, not this. Get this. Oh yeah, and look at the chest that I have. And then you want to put it like right here. And then I have a rainbow creeper head. How cool is that? Yeah, I think this is gonna be the wrapping up of it. But I want to show you the ladders first. They're like rainbow. Ooh, spooky ghost. But yeah. Oh, and then the Elder Guardian. Look at that. Here's the little tiny guardians. They're shiny sharks. They're 09 tuna fishes. And then the chest. And then double chest. Look at that. That's a double chest right there. But this is the normal chest right there. And as you can tell, you're probably like, you have elytra. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this real quick. You could also change elytra to be like wings, and it's awesome. But